Sprouting 3. Filtering made simple. Welcome. In our imaginations, click, we're going to turn everything into energy. We are also going to make energy filters which can pass through things in this energy environment. These filters can both add and subtract energy from the item being filtered. For this presentation, let's start with an empty hoop and a pet. Imagine passing the empty hoop slowly over the pet. Besides curiosity and possible nervousness, the pet is not significantly changed. Now, in your imagination, stretch the spirit of happiness across the hula hoop, pass it slowly over the pet. Most likely, the bubble of happiness will go through the pet or partly through your pet, or it is repelled by the pet. Whatever the case, you'll know more about the disposition of your pet at that particular moment in time. Next, let's integrate filters with pain and resistance. Pinch yourself again. Do that now, like we did in one of the earlier sessions. You know why you are in pain. You're squeezing some cells. And when you stop pinching, the sensing changes, but the pain is not totally gone. Pain has a job to do. It calls energies to your physical cells. If you pass a hoop stretched with light through those same pain cells in your imagination, the energy from your mind is directed to those physical cells. Like energy follows thought. Automatically, the DNA goes to work starting the healing. Instead of light, image a soap bubble stretched across your hoop. Try putting that through your pinch cells. What happens? Push pause. Record your answer. If soap on the hula hoop had difficulty going through the cells, can you slow down and sense the resistance in your physical outer motion? Feel it in your body, the resistance. We worked on that earlier. Develop an awareness of your outer body and its sensitivity to your movement performed in the imagination. It's a form of feedback, and this can be a key for connecting to whatever you imagine. If your outer physical can't feel the resistance to a soap bubble, put a rubber balloon, or imagine a rubber balloon stretched across your hoop, and try putting that through the cells. Allow the feedback from your body into your mind's ability to imagine. Grow. Once you make this connection in a grosser medium, that's the rubber balloon, go back to the finer soap experience and try it again. Both gross and fine sensitivities will be needed down the line. Play with the filtering. The process and discrimination developed in this seeming child's game is very connected to your creator aspect, and as your throughness grows, so does your power to sense, imagine, and heal using subtle energy resonances and energy signatures. We will use filtering and this mind-emotional-body connection to enhance your well-being in later chapters. Before we do, I'd like to introduce a frame of reference that includes sound as energy. Scientifically, our physical body exists in a range of sound vibration that appears solid. Some people call it a sound hologram or interference pattern between intersecting energies in the range of sound. And when we draw a square in the air and develop an image or an imagining, we are essentially bridging between the grounded sound in the body and the light of the mind using our skin and movement. We went through that earlier. of the physical body. In physics, these are far distant vibrations, and yet our body can make this bridge almost automatically. And when we activate it properly, filtering and practice it, filtering can be used to gather information about a wide range of topics, from foods our body would like to eat, pass filter through them, see if the body wants them, and how to interpret somebody's mood we don't really understand. It's all energy, and learning to speak its language will come with practice. Use your imagination. Be ensounded. Like enlightened. Well, so much for jokes. I'll see you again soon in Sprouting 4 Fundamentals.